guys. Today we're going to practice our 2 songs we did on our Google Meet. If you weren't there, that's okay. You can look at the slides that I shared with Mr. Spitzak. The first one was a drumming part where the orange part was part 1, so you had to follow that orange part for all 4 lines. Then you had to follow that yellow part for all 4 lines. And then you had to choose which part you were going to play, where half the class did one part and half did the other part. So if you have somebody at your house that wants to do it with you, one person could do one part and the other person, and then you could do the other part. So let's just do the easy part first. That's the yellow part, part 2. Let me look closer. Okay, so it goes ta, ta, and it keeps repeating. Go ahead and do it with me. You could clap. If you have an instrument, you can play it on an instrument. Do it again. That's it. Okay, let's do the part 1, the orange part. That part's a little bit trickier. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3. The second line goes T, 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 da, da. Then the third line goes back to that same as the first line. 1, 2, 3. Last line T, 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 T. Whole note gets 4 beats. Yeah, so dotted half note is 3 beats. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Whole note looks like a donut or an oval. 1, 2, 3, 4. So try that whole orange part again. Here, it's really small on my screen. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, orange part. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and it'd be fun to practice it with somebody in your family, and you guys could even switch off on the parts and see if you guys can keep it together. Okay, the other thing we were doing was that silly book about the ants that were trying to go to that picnic. And remember, we're going to a picnic, a hey and a hidey ho. I might turn this so it looks, I'll play it backwards, but it'll look forwards for you guys. Okay, so your part on your app, if you have one, or a piano at home or a xylophone, C, G, C. See if you can get that crossover. So your right hand never leaves that G, and then your left hand is the one that crosses over. Bum, bum. Once you get really good, try to sing at the same time. We're going to a picnic, a hey and a hidey ho. And then you could try all the parts on the slide. So we hope there'll be yummies for our grumbling tummies, a hey and a hidey ho. And then you keep going from part to part. C, G, C. Okay, I hope you guys have fun today. Also remember to practice the I Live song so you're ready to record on Friday. I did it all. I did it all. I owned every second that this world could give. Saw so many places, and you make up your thing. The things that I did with every broken bone. I swear I lived. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. So you got 3 things to practice today. Drumming rhythm, the crossover, C, G, C, while you're singing the song, and I lived. Have fun.